Alright, so this YouTube thing has really done a number on you guys. One of you was asking me to show them how to completely uninstall and then reinstall YouTube so that they can see if they can get their YouTube working again. So I'm going to use this one to demonstrate to you how to do that. Exactly. This is a Vitron, and we are just going to go through the process of uninstalling and reinstalling YouTube. Right. That's not what we're going to start. Home is where we're going to start. Here's a YouTube, it's a built-in app. Let's go to apps. And there's the Play Store. This thing is a bit sluggish, been slow. Do you want to update this app? WebTube, no. What do you mean? Alright, Play Store. That's the place where you get your applications. So if you are looking to install a new application on your device, you just navigate to the search and then you will look for the application. You can do a voice search, which was that, or you could type it in. I prefer voice search. How do I go back? No joy. Anyway, let's look for YouTube then. I'm actually speaking at a loud enough volume today. I think it's because I'm facing away from the recorder, but there's our YouTube already. Let's type in the whole thing. And there it is. So press, oh damn it, how do you get to the S? Oh, it's moving. I can delete that. Hit enter. There. No, that wasn't enter, that was shift. Hit the search button. There we go, search. The device is actually quite a bit slow, so the sluggishness is due to the slowness of the device. There we go. So it's already in the damn it. It's already in the TV. The YouTube app is already in the TV, but we still found it. So you can also uninstall it from here, as you can see the option to uninstall. So if you're having trouble with your YouTube, you could still uninstall it from here. So there we go. It's asking if you're sure you want to uninstall the application. We'll go with yes, okay. You okay that with the okay here. And it would actually remove YouTube from the device, from the TV. YouTube would go. Let me pause the recording. We'll come back once the uninstall is complete, because this TV is actually a bit slow and I don't want to run out of storage just recording the uninstall progress bar. Alright, looks like we're done. Wasn't sure I was capturing me in there. But here we are. So YouTube is no longer in the TV. I've uninstalled it. So we are still on the Play Store menu, but we have the install button. So you no longer see any other options because you don't have the application on the device, on the TV. Or we could just go back and see what it looks like. So go back home. Damn it, this thing is slow. So home, we have an app here called YouTube that I've claimed that it's no longer in the device. So let's see. Yep, there we go. It's asking you to download it. So you could still download it straight away. The reason why we have it in the menu is because this came in, it was installed by default. So it's still maintaining a link. It's like an icon for the shortcut. It has the shortcut to the YouTube app. That's why it was still on the menu. Anyway, it is a built-in app. It came with the TV, so it was included as one of the features, as you can see up here. Probably you won't be able to see it, but you'll see it on the sticker. So that means that they have pre-installed it and it comes pre-installed on the device. But you can still uninstall it and reinstall it from the Play Store, just like you do on your phone. You can install any application straight from the Play Store. So let's not even use this. Let's go back to the Play Store. Apps, it's been labeled apps here. That's no problem. Under apps, there is the Play Store right there. So you go into the Play Store. And go to the search like we did before. You go up, you navigate to search. Then that's the option to search using the voice. You can use the voice to search for. Damn it, this TV is way too slow. Anyway. It's not allowing me to do the search. It was supposed to go red when I press on OK. But it's not doing that. But we can just type that in. That's no problem. We already saw the YouTube app down there, but I just want to show you the full process of getting YouTube onto your TV. Just in case you don't have it in there in the shortcuts. You go to the search so that you don't get lost. Why? You as you search, it would try and help you out by giving you the potential results based on what you've already typed in. So that's why we already have the results and yet we have not done typing. But you could just still keep typing. Anyway. E-T U B, where that B? B E is up there. Alright, once you're done, you go to the search button. The search is on the corner over there. You see that green button at the corner. Anyway, I'm using that route so that it's shorter. I make a few clicks if I do that. So it loops around to this other side. So that's another trick for you. Hit search. The TV is actually kind of slow, so I'm not even sure that it has registered the click. But just do it again in case it didn't catch that. Alright, there we go. Not sure what we did there. Anyway, there's your YouTube. YouTube, come on. There we go, it's installing. I guess based on the number of presses that I've done, I've actually gone ahead and pressed install already. So it's pending. It's I think it's installing, but let's see what happens. There we go. Let me just check that you're still on. Capturing in 4K, I don't want to run out of storage. I need to open up more storage on my device. Anyway, that's neither here nor there. So there you have it, it's installing. And basically that's about it. After this is done, you'll have your YouTube. You would have uninstalled and reinstalled it. We could go to the process of trying to force an update on your device, but I'll save that for later. So here you have it. Here you have your YouTube. You can open it up. Open. I think it actually responds better if you do a bit of a long press. Which latest video? So this is, as you can see, this is a clean setup because we had removed the application. Get started. Wants us to sign in with our accounts, but let's not do that. Let's go in as a guest. God damn it. Anyway, so you can look for stuff. I guess it would give you the popular videos. Locally, this is what people are watching, I guess. Don't know for sure, but I guess these are the popular stuff. So they come in on top if you don't actually have an account going. So that's it. That's how you get to remove that's how you get to remove YouTube from your device and then put it back in there. That's the gist of it. So that's how you do that.